Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Renato Battaglio, and today I would like to talk about one of the biggest problems that I think El Salvador had along the history of the country, which is the inequality. The inequality is something that everyone in the country can see and actually exists since the beginning of the society here in El Salvador. Inequality is not just this little problem that we think that we can solve just that easy, because this problem, inequality, creates a lot of different other problems like poverty, the digital divide, and other kind of problems that the society have to deal with just because in El Salvador the people have a really big difference in their quality of life, what they have, how they live, how they improve, and also how they think about of life. But why the inequality it's a problem for El Salvador? Well, just starting with the reality that El Salvador is a poor country that needs to people improve their skills at doing uh, any kind of work to make more money or business to make their growth bigger and as so they can help their family in a better way to make their life better and comfortable. Also, inequality it's a problem for El Salvador because actually it doesn't stop to make bigger. It's like a snowball, and it's very difficult to just stop it like that. It's a generational topic with people have to deal with it in decades to solve it. It's not just like that in 5 years or 10 years. This problem is going to be solved. That's not true because we already saw this problem in a generational terms, and we have studies that determine that inequality it's one of the biggest indicators on a country that is poor and in a country in um, a developing situation. Also, inequality divides people or society in social classes that they are very marked in the society of El Salvador. We can see in the streets just with our eyes how is these classes are so separated and marked in the culture of the of this country. I think that there are just four classes, social classes in El Salvador, which are poverty, which are this class of social status is very common in this country. There's a lot of people living in the streets, living without the basic needs, and well, the next one it's the lower class that at least have the some of the minimum amount of things that he needs to live, like water and some clothes, but not more than that. Then the next one is the middle class, which there's the more kind of people in the country. Uh, these are normal people that pay they taxes and they work. Normal people that we think are is normal, but in this country we can see that the reality is very different as the normal as that we thought, because inequality show us how this the think of way it's not true at all. And for the upper class is the most rare in El Salvador, and there's a few people with a lot of money in this country. Here you can see the limits of the inequality in El Salvador in one image. You can see how poor people live, and in the other one you can see just two or three houses for one to five people each one. So that's very remarkable about it. Just to end with this presentation, I just want to say that the only way that we can fix this is cooperating together and working together as one to try to solve this problem and make a better country for all the citizens. Thank you for your attention and have a great day.